Hello, everyone. This is Swati Atmanathan, a Bharatanatyam practitioner, vocalist, and fitness trainer based out of Varanasi. And I'm the founder and director of Bandish Arts, a unit of Savarnika Welfare Foundation. It's an NGO under the Section 8 company, and which is curated for the platform for the performing arts and all fine arts in the world. So today, apart from introducing myself, I'm very happy to share some perspectives for the World Dance Day 2026. As a dancer, as a fitness trainer, obviously I am very much freak on what I eat, how I take care of myself and what is my routine. And every dancer does that. But today, in the name of World Dance Day, I have some alarming topics to share, which is, I feel that very, very important for today's perspective, because today, in the era of Instagram and social media, Facebook, YouTube, in fact, YouTube is also underrated, but the hype is Instagram and Facebook, where people are so, you know, obsessed to become a content creator, which is absolutely very beautiful, which is absolutely very encouraging and good. But we need to think and give a setback, give it a break and think कि जो हम कर रहे हैं वो हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, और अगर वो हम कर रहे हैं तो उसका क्या स्कोप है, right? So I don't want to go in the different fields of the Instagram or Facebook influencer, because I myself, I am one among the Instagram and Facebook practitioner, I will say. And I also equally enjoy being an artist and being a part of that social media. And thankfully, I am being a part of this social media for more than 10 years, not now when the era is in the hype. It is never like that. So, for the dancers, I have a very few important points. The one who are, the upcoming dancers, upcoming practitioners, when we often get applications for dance performances, these days we always give a category that please do share your videos, at a length of 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Why? Because we want to see the endurance of the artist, that even in that vulnerable situation, or even in that whatever situation, when after you are continuously dancing, are you able to cope up with the stamina on that point of time or not? But that is what not is that's what not happening right now. Yes. Why? Because Instagram reels are so much popularized with a time limit, which is maximum 60 seconds. Okay, worst case, 1.5 minutes. So, where the dancers are very much, intricate on editing their best parts and putting it up, amalgamating together as a snippets and putting it up on social media to get the high views, which is totally okay. For the publicity purpose, which is totally okay. But we need to really think that is that something which is going to pay us back? That is very very important, because अगर हम एडिटिंग में इतना समय बिताएंगे तो हम प्रैक्टिस कब करेंगे, राइट? और अगर हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, अगर हम अब रियाज में अपना समय नहीं बिताएंगे, तो हमें शोज कहाँ से मिलेंगे? और शोज नहीं मिलेंगे तो हमारी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, right? So this is how the chain works. So of course these days the social media has become a hype that perfect to perfect thing needs to be amalgamated together and put on the social media. Even I do that. I accept it in front. I definitely do that. But I do it for the purpose of publicity. That's how, but I don't want to make it as the practice for myself, because that will be something which will be very much dangerous. So basically, I want to give a very small message to this upcoming generation who are doing great, because I don't know, I don't understand why people often target Gen Zs, but I really like how Gen Zs have influenced their life. I really appreciate their struggle. I really appreciate the way they express themselves. And I'm totally in support of this generation. But the point is that the shortcut is never going to work at all. That is something which will always, is the most important point which we have to remember, because time is something that tests everyone. That's how is the social media also. Because today it is Instagram available, and tomorrow we really don't know what if like suddenly the government shuts all this social media and then we all are gone. So at that time हम अपने आप को कैसे सस्टेन कर सकते हैं, ये सबसे बड़ा हमारे लिए क्वेश्चन है, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ एज अ performer, as a practitioner. So that's all is my message. So let's be candid and stop doing the editing, I think. And we can be the most organic part in our life and share love, art, practice, hard work with each other, which with all of us. And let us help each other. Let us together grow the art. So that's all is a small message for the World Dance Day. सभी को मेरी तरफ से वर्ल्ड डांस डे की बधाई. Happy World Dance Day for each and everyone, for the dancers and the non-dancers as well. Start dancing, start practicing your favorite art, and wish you all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.